Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done a video in a really long time, but I want to show you how to do island twists, and I am doing it with Marley hair. And just show y'all what it looks like so far. So that's what it looks like, and at the end I'm going to show you, but at the end I let the ends be like this because I'm going to put a flexi rod around them and dip them. I have the Cuban twist hair and I have it in the 24 inches, which is the longer version. Usually there's like the, I guess it's like 16 or 18 inches, but this is the one that I have. So what I'm doing is I am taking a piece of the hair. So this is one hair that is in the pack and all of this. So what I do is I just split it in half, do it really fast so it doesn't get tangled. So split it in half. I am using human hair because I just feel like, I mean, synthetic hair is okay, especially if you take care of it. It may last for maybe 2 weeks, but I ain't got time. I'm using one of my old human hair wigs and I'm just taking the hair off of this because I haven't worn this wig and I don't know how long. So I'm just taking like decent size amounts of hair that I want for each twist. So I'm taking like this much and just cutting it. And what I like to do when you braid it in or when you twist it in, you can definitely leave it like this, but I think that it has a better grip once I put some gel on it, and that way it blends in better and it's just easier for me to blend it in. It's optional, just wanted to let you know. So I am going to part this hair. Cannot believe I did it this small because I really wanted to do medium, but you know, maybe this is better for me. Okay, so this is just what I do. I think that this is beginner friendly. So this is just what I do. Just making sure that part is straight. So I just take some of my gel, put it in there, and I start off doing a knotless braid. I don't braid too many times. I maybe do it like 1 and 2. Now the way I braid is really weird. My finger placement, I don't know. So braid how you normally will do a knotless braid. So I do that twice. Take the piece of Marley hair and then I just braid it until I feel comfortable. So 1, 2, 3. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put one of my curly pieces in. Just do it the same way. Just braid that in. And when you braid it in, you wanna make sure that it's enough hair right here so that it doesn't slip out. So I'm just braiding that. I'll do one more time. So now I feel like this is a really good foundation for me. So I'm just going to twist one side, then twist it together. I'm going to go ahead and take my curly piece out so that it's not in my way. And what you want to do is twist one side, then twist together. So you're twisting one side, then twisting it together. Twist one side, then twist it together. One side together. One side together. One side together. And you just continue to do that all the way down. And with me doing it fast, it doesn't look like I'm doing it. There's Chino, y'all. It doesn't look like I'm doing it, but I am. So just do that all the way down. and you just put your curly hair pieces in wherever you want to. So I'm gonna go down a little bit more. So as I was saying, like, you want to make sure it's enough hair that you put in here to braid so it doesn't slip out, if that makes sense. So I'm using this much to put in here to braid in, well, to twist in. So how you add hair with the twist, so I'm using this much, I put it behind, and then I just go ahead and twist one side, twist it together, hold this one in place, then go ahead and twist this other side, then twist them together. Twist one side, twist them together. One side, together. One side, together. One side, together. So I think that's the pretty good foundation to where I could go ahead and put it up. And I just clip it. And then I just go ahead and twist one side together, one side together. And I just do that until I get to the bottom. So if you wanted like your human hair curls at the bottom, then how I just added this human hair curl to this part, you would just do that at the end. But I am just rodding the ends of these, so that's why I'm not really putting the curly pieces at the ends. And then to secure it, I just take a little thin piece and I make a knot around it, and I actually do that about 2 or 3 times, like so. And yeah, I take the clips out, and I'm gonna like define the curly hair once I'm done with the whole thing. But oh, see, yes, that's a nice big juicy curl right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of it. So that is a tip for you all. If you do use Marley hair, just use smaller rods and don't put a lot of twists on one rod. So I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna show y'all the finished result tomorrow where I'm gonna finish, because I still have this left, but I am tired. So I'm gonna dip these and then I'll just show y'all everything tomorrow.
And that is it, y'all. I love how this came out. It's super lightweight. It's not heavy. Y'all, I thought I blended in all the mousse, but I didn't, obviously. But this is what it looks like. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if I left anything out, let me know. See you all on the next video.